good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lexis hair, and I'm here today with Nadula hair. I am styling, crimping, and installing this wig and trying to finesse the lace. So if you guys are interested in the whole installation process on getting a regular middle part closure to be to the side and look right, make sure you guys stay tuned, keep watching, and check the description box for all information on this hair. Alright, so we're preparing to be under a wig, so you already know what that means. I just wanted to show you guys what actually came with the wig. We got this robe. Here we go. On the front it says Nadula, and then on the back it does too. Pretty silky robe. Then we got a couple of goodies as well. We got this headband. We got 3 packs of wig caps in 2 different colors. And then we have a edge band that also says Nadula on it. Then inside of our baggie, this looks like a makeup brush. We have a cheetah print edge band and then a bonnet. We got a 4x4 closure wig. Normally people wear these in the middle, but I decided I wanted to do a side part today, so that's what we're doing. I think it's about 22 or 24 inches. Of course, that'll be down in the description box, but I bleached the knots twice, and the knots are kind of thick, so they are still visible, but I'm just gonna put a little bit of makeup on here to kind of hide them a little bit better. So let's just get into it. So the inside construction, we have just the basic 3 combs on the inside, so 2 on the side, 1 down at the bottom, and then we have the adjustable strap. Easiest way to apply your closure wig is to put the lace on your forehead first and then just flip it over. Like I said, I'm gonna do a side part today, and I'm just trying to adjust it so that this little flap here does not irritate my ear. I'm gonna take my clip that back, and I think I'm gonna lay it like right here. So I'm gonna use my spray, EVN lace wonder spray, and I'm just gonna spray it right where the lace is. I'm gonna take my cheetah print lace band. Alright, so I'm gonna let this sit for a little bit. I think I want to crimp the hair, so I think I might start doing that while this kind of like dries up a little bit. Hopefully I do not regret this, because I hate waiting for crimps to... I just hate crimping hair, honestly. And this crimper is by Bedhead, and it's called the Wave Artist. So alright, so I'm zooming back in. We're gonna take the lace strip off. I learned that the easiest way to do it and make sure that it doesn't like come up at all is to like rip it off. Cut in that little strip off the end first. take my razor. Alright, I'm gonna take this Pantene hairspray and just spray it on the hair so it keeps the crimps. And then my got to be for flyaways. And now my razor. And then my Nairobi. Now, we'll take a little makeup. Okay, and we're done. And just like that, we're done. I think it's pretty cute. This is like my first time I actually took it serious doing a closure in a side part style. So I do like it. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section. But make sure you guys go check out Nadula hair and check the description for all the information down below. I hope you guys enjoyed another install video of me, and bye.